xin chào, toi la yen nhi, toi nt 6 by ci news. Sao a with circumflex y la bn tin 6 by ci news. Forex news. NTVforex USD JPY tracks other risk barometers to take the bids above 107.00. http www.ntvforex.com news ID 4C92E5 0025 GMT by Anil Panchal. USD JPY extends recovery moves from an intraday low of 107.45. S&amp 500 futures, Nikkei 225 and the US 10-year Treasury yields print mild gains. Coronavirus worries, global ire against China remain on the table. ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI, risk catalysts will be in focus. USD JPY rises to 107.64, up 0.11% on a day, as Tokyo Open welcomes risk-on mood on Monday. The pair initially ticked down from 107.51 to 107.45 during the early hours in Asia. However, the following run-up attacks Thursday's top near 107.75. Bond yields, equities gain despite pandemic worries, be it the US 10-year Treasury yields positive opening around 0.68% or 0.28% gains, to 3,138, by the S&amp 500 futures. Global markets remain positive at the week's start. Also portraying the mild optimism in trading sentiment could be Japan's Nikkei 225 that rises 0.50% to 22,416 as we write. US President Donald Trump's tweet defies the surge in the coronavirus COVID-19 numbers in the world's largest economy. As per the latest data, America continues to break the record high numbers with above 50,000 figures since the start of the month. Also, numbers from the epicenter Texas and Florida suggest that the situation is worrisome. Also on the negative side are the updates signaling an escalation of the Sino-American tension. The reason could be traced from the White House diplomats' hint and the U.S. aircraft aiming for an exercise in the South China Sea. It should, however, be noted that U.S. President Trump hasn't yet okayed sanctions on Beijing policymakers involved in the passage of the Hong Kong security law, which in turn could recede the tension between the world's two largest economies. Talking about the reasons for the latest risk reset, markets might be preparing for the US Open after Friday's close due to the Independence Day. Additionally, hopes of further stimulus from the global policymakers also support the risks. With the economic calendar in Asia being lighter, USISM Non-Manufacturing PMI, expected 49.5 versus 45.4 prior, will be the key to watch during the day. Though, updates concerning the virus and the US-China tussle shouldn't be ignored ever. Technical analysis: unless closing below 50-day SMA near 107.40, USD JPY is less likely to reverse from its path directing towards 108.00. Additional important levels overview: today last price 107.6, today daily change 9 pips, today daily change percent 0.08%, today daily open 107.51, trends daily SMA 20 107.3, daily SMA 50 107.39, daily SMA 100 107.86, daily SMA 200 108.4, levels previous daily high 107.58, previous daily low 107.44, previous weekly high 108.16, previous weekly low 107.04, previous monthly high 109.85, previous monthly low 106.08, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 107.52, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 107.49, daily pivot point S1 107.44, daily pivot point S2 107.37, daily pivot point S3 107.29, daily pivot point R1 107.58, daily pivot point R2 107.65, daily pivot point R3 107.72. CMNA with tildes MBN tin. Hey Trui CPBN tin, Hawk NGKY Ken, Kachung Toy, NHNBN tin SMNHT.